Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I think we're finally going to fix the greenhouse. Well, not all of the greenhouse, but the main part that's broken, where the soil, where the back of it. I think we're finally going to fix that because I bought more plastic. And that's some of the wood I have. It's just wood left over from making the roof. I was hoping I was going to have enough long pieces, but I just realised there's a piece up on the shelf up there. So yeah, that's definitely long enough to kind of get rid of it, because it's not in the way, it's just, you know, it's just using up space, I guess. So yeah, we're going to do that. I got more plastic. We're going to fill that in. I've bought a sprung to dig up the soil, to turn it over. So I got that. So I'm after doing that already. And then rake and I kind of flatten out a little bit so I can get ready to plant. So yeah, we're going to do that now, I guess. So let's jump over to that. Okay, so it's the next day and it's in the morning right now, and this is how much I'm after getting done. I still need to put pieces on the side there and in the middle, just to screw the plastic to. But yeah, I just wanted to give you an update. It's kind of a 2-day vlog, I guess. I was kind of procrastinating yesterday a little bit. But well, no, I actually did have to get screws, so I had to get pretty long ones. It's 3 inches and a quarter. Just the wood, like I said, is the one used from the rafters. They're 2 inches thick, so I had to get pretty long ones. So yeah, there's the update. I'm going to go ahead and do the sides now. Okay, so this is as far as I've gotten. I'm just about to cut the plastic now. I'm gonna cut it to about 19 inches, and then the other one's like 20, and I might put another piece of wood right there. Another piece there so I can screw it into it. It's not gonna be like 100% waterproof unless I get some type of silicone or something. It should be fine. It's not supposed to be perfect, it's just supposed to work. So there's the perspex right here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a line right there going across. I have to cut across and then I have to cut up using a jigsaw. It's a bit of a pain, but I'll get it done. So that's that one, and then there's another one there and another one there. So I definitely have enough for that, but I might have enough for the other side of the window. We'll see. But this is kind of the most important part right now, so just gonna get that done. You know, an important thing to note is you're supposed to wear eye protective goggles and stuff like that, but I don't have any. So don't be an idiot like me and cut plastic with a jigsaw without eye protection. So yeah, don't be like me, please. So it's going a bit faster, but it's grand. It did crack, but this is the piece I'm cutting off, so just be careful, really. Look at that, we're finally done. Well, not done yet, but I was being a bit of an idiot. I drilled holes into the plastic, and I was like, sure, them screws are self-tapping, which if you don't know means to drill your own hole and like be a screw at the same time. So that's why they're just kind of close together. Okay, so welcome back. As you see, I'm actually fairly roasting. I'm just after getting it installed. Let me go out and show you what it looks like. I guess it's not too fancy. I screwed in some screws there. It sticks out more, but I have a bit more plastic. I might put it at an angle so it comes down over it. I need to put some wood preservative on it as well, and have it nailed to the wall using steel nails. And I added in just a little extra barrier there, just for temporary, for that little rat to stop him from going in. But let me show you what it looks like from inside. Yeah, so it's not too bad. I haven't built anything in years. But yeah, I had to knock that back because it was in the way. I need to rip it off. It's basically falling off the wall anyway. The long nails, well, it should be fine. I'll keep an eye at it. Up there is kind of up higher than there. But I think it's that, so I might, when I take that off, I might sit down further. And I'll put a screw through it. Maybe a screw up from the bottom up to it, it'll work better. But yeah, I'm actually glad I got that done. I was procrastinating about it for ages. But yeah, I think I'm going to call it a day there today. That's enough, 2 days, and then tomorrow well, it's the 1st of March right now, so tomorrow will be the 2nd, so I'm after, where did it go? There. Pretty sure these are called sprongs over here. It's just for turning the soil over. I did a little bit of it already, turned it over. But I'll do that all tomorrow, and I'll plant some of the veg I have. This is actually the veg right now. They could be grown, but I'm not sure. Not yet anyway. It's 13 degrees Celsius in here right now. I did used to have this in the shed, but I think it's more suited right here now. It's between 50 and 60% humidity. I guess for the American people, it's 60 degrees Fahrenheit. See? Oh yeah, I need to water them. And these are getting a bit dry. So yeah, I keep stalling. Thanks for watching this video if you made it all the way through, or thanks for watching anyway, for clicking on it. I'll see you next time. Like I said, we'll do the soil up and plant some stuff finally. But yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. I can't talk today. Bye.